Wildlife wardens in Kashmir have begun the exhaustive task of counting the migratory birds which call their wetlands home. The annual census is part of a global monitoring program by Wetlands International and NGOs striving to preserve lakes, marshes and rivers and the creatures which live in them.
Gliding, soaring and dipping across the water, these countless migratory birds are enjoying their time in the sun. Not exactly countless though for this group of wardens. By the banks of Hokkasau wetlands, they're beginning the unenviable task of starting an annual migratory bird census. It's all part of a global water bird monitoring program run by Wetlands International, an NGO dedicated to preserving wetlands and the creatures and the people who rely on them. The International Water Bird Census has run since 1967, today covering over 25,000 sites in over 100 countries. Over 15,000 people submit data annually, making it one of the largest global monitoring schemes, relying largely on citizen science. In Kashmir, the program is being coordinated by the Indian Bird Conservation Network of the Bombay Natural History Society. Wardens say the census has multiple aims.
The main three objects of this Asian water bird census is, first, to know the population estimation, how many birds visit to our wetlands of the state. This was an exercise which was aimed to be carried out by the department from this year, from the migration, when the migration started. And second objective is to know the status and condition of the wetlands. And third, most important, is to promote conservation through all this exercise, to promote conservation of the wetlands.
The birds they're counting include geese, the pintail, common teal, white-eyed pocket, gadwall, cormorant and red-crested pochard. Wardens aim to tour 13 main wetlands in the area. According to Imitiaz Ahmad Lone, so far they recorded some 6,000 birds.
From September onwards, we receive these migratory birds in the wetlands of Kashmir. And in the month of December, before this icing started, we have recorded more than 6 lakh birds.
With so many birds on the move, the wardens have an unenviable task ahead of them.